Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the video session of Cantab Publisher, the leaders of One Curriculum, One Nation. Today's lecture is for Class 3, Chapter 2, and the lecture number is number 2. The resources you need is the English textbook, the English workbook, the summer pack, and the resource pack for the parents and teachers. Unit 2 is about family values. And today is lecture number 2. Recall substitution word learned earlier. Pronouns. We have done this in grade 1 and 2, and we are going to recall it in grade 3 because the SLO says recall. For that you need the textbook page 14 and 15, 16, workbook page 9, 10, and the summer pack page 10, 11 and 12. Lecture number 2, SLO, recall substitution words learnt earlier. The words which are substituted are called pronouns. Pronouns. Noun is a name of a person, place or thing. And pronoun is the word which is used in the place of a noun. For example, for single nouns, I, me, you, she, he, it. For plural, we, us, you, your, they, them, their. Let's practice that on question number 1. Complete the following sentences with correct pronouns. A. Shazia is a girl and dash is a Muslim. Shazia is a girl and she is a Muslim. She respects dash family. She respects her family. I am her friend. Dash are in the same class. We are in the same class. They do dash work in the morning. They do their work in the morning. My parents help dash in my studies. My parents help me in my studies. We should respect dash parents. We should respect our parents. She, her, we, their, me, our. Question number 2. Arrange the following words alphabetically according to the second letter of the word. The first 2 words have been arranged for you. The words are black, butter, bill, ball, boil, bear, brother. B-A-L-L ball, B-E-A-R bear, bill, black, boil, brother, and then butter. Number 3, use the following pronouns in sentences of your own. On a copy you can make sentences of these pronouns: he, you, they, her, my. There's a teacher's note here. It says we use who with people and which with things. We usually use that with both. Now as a home practice, you have to find the pronouns from the lesson. I repeat, you have to find the pronouns from the lesson and then circle them. Now let's come to the part of the textbook on page number 15 and 16. A dash is a word used in the place of a noun. What helps us to change and it can replace the word noun? Is it a verb, a vowel, pronoun or consonant? It's option 3, pronoun. Number 4, we should always respect dash family. Our, hers, his, their. We should always respect our family. Number 5, Kiran is the girl dash respects her elders. Kiran is the girl dash respect her elders. Which, what, who, how. Kiran is the girl who respects her elders. Relative pronouns. Relative pronoun is used to introduce a relative clause such as who, which, where, that. So as a home task, you have to find relative pronouns from the lesson and circle them. Use who, which, where or that in these sentences. This is the boy dash respects his elders. This is the boy who respects his elders. He will work dash there is shade. He will work where there is shade. This is the girl dash won the first prize. This is the girl who won the first prize. This is my brother dash is younger than me. This is my brother that is younger than me. This is the area dash was flooded. This is the area which was flooded. Who, where, who, that, which. Let's do some class practice on page number 9 and 10 of your workbook. Reading and writing. These are the skills which we are going to practice. Reading and writing. Question number 2. Read the sentences carefully and choose the suitable pronoun. Number 1. Essen is my best friend. Dash is a good boy. Which option are we going to select from these pink ones? I or he? We are talking about Essen, so the word which is going to fit in this blank is the option he. Essen is my best friend. He is a good boy. Number 2. Dash go to school with him daily. Who goes to school with him daily? Is it I or is it he? I go to school with him daily. Number 3. Dash are good fellows. They or we? We are good fellows. Number 4. He helps dash in studies. He helps my in studies. Doesn't sound so good. He helps me in studies. I am proud of dash friend. I am proud of my friend or his friend. These sentences are about Essen. So I am telling about Essen. So I am proud of my friend. He, I, we, me, my. You can pause this video and check your work. Once you're done, you need to see your homework or extra practice home task on the workbook page 10, 11 and 12. This is on page 10, page 11, and there's an activity on page 12. Circle question number 3 on page 10, number 4, 5, 6, 7 on page number 11, and make a star on the activity. You have to read the questions, select the answer from the given options. Then you will be performing the activity which says think of the names of the people around you and change the following pronouns into those names. He. There might be a he around you, so you have to write their names here. There might be some she around you, maybe your mother, maybe your sister, maybe your aunt. Those you will write here. They, maybe some friends, you, yourself, we, and 2 names to accommodate the word we. Thank you. I hope we have learned together. It was nice to be with you. See you soon. Take care and don't forget to do your homework. Allah Hafiz.